channel. I'm Kimmy from Kimmy Creates, and in this video I will be showing you how to make a simple double crochet. Now if you are new to my channel, you can go back and see I have made a chain of 15 and I'm just going to continue from that chain. Now to make a double crochet, this is a chain of 15, right? So we're gonna go back and create the first double crochet in the 15, 14, 13, 12, the 12th stitch, right? And this, from 13 to 15, we will consider it to be one double crochet. So we're gonna yarn over, right? So you'll have 2 loops on the hook, 1, 2, and we're gonna put it in the top part of the 12 crochet chain, sorry. So if you notice, it forms a V right here, so you're gonna put it in the top part, right? So there are 3 loops on the hook. You're gonna take the loop over, pull through, still 3 on it. You're gonna yarn over, pull through 2, right? And then you're gonna pull through the next 2. So 1, this is considered 1. This is considered your first official double crochet. We're gonna do it again. So you're gonna yarn over, and you're gonna go in this one, right? Push through the top loop, pull up a loop. There are 3 on it. You're gonna yarn over, pull through 2, 2 left on it, gonna yarn over again and pull through the other 2. Right, so that's your second double crochet. I'm going to do it once more. Yarn over, you're going to go in this section, yarn over, pull through. There are 3 on it, 1, 2, 3. You're going to yarn over, pull through 2, 2 left, pull through the next 2, right? So as you can see, when the chain stitch is formed, it forms a V. 1V, 2V, 3V, 4V, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we're at the 9th one. So you're just going to use the top V section. So yarn over, put through the top part of the V, pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, right? Yarn over, and that's how you do the double crochet. Yarn over, put through the top part, pull up a loop, 1, 2, 3, pull through 2, pull through 2, and you will just continue until you reach the end. My yarn is a little bit fuzzy, but I'm hoping that you're able to clearly see what I'm doing. And in the event that you don't understand anything, you can leave a comment or leave a question in the comment section, and I'll try my best to answer, okay? And we have 2 left. Yarn over, push through, pull through, 1, 2, 3, yarn over for that one, pull through 2, pull through 2, and this is the last one now. Yarn over, push through, pull up, all right, and there you have it. Alright guys, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.